What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually gonna just be doing a little update. Right now I'm actually gonna be washing Snapchat, which is what I'm in right now. Go ahead and give it a quick wash. I haven't washed it for like a month and a half maybe, so pretty filthy, and it's been raining and cold weather, whatever. So today we're gonna go ahead and wash it because it should be pretty sunny, I guess, the rest of this week. Okay guys, we just got her washed and I'm about to dry her and show you guys how she looks like right now. She really hasn't really changed, so should be a little quick little video. The plans that I do have for this month is it's getting new wheels. You guys will be seeing that pretty soon. I'm thinking of ordering new headlights because these headlights are pretty old. Water keeps getting in them. And I also do need new LEDs all the way around. I need the low beams, high beams, and the side markers. I need them switchbacks again. But hopefully I put the resistor or whatever so it turns, so it's not blinking so fast. Also, what I do want to do is give it a cut and buff. Hopefully I repaint it this summer after I'm done doing what I want to do to the body, because I am going to be replacing this bed, and I'm going to be doing the dog houses on the new bed. So the bed will be up for sale pretty soon. But other than that, it's what I want it to be. I do have the new drop kit as well for this truck. You guys will be seeing that pretty soon. Hopefully maybe maybe 3 weeks. So all I want to know is that what you guys want to see on Snapchat. It could be performance, look wise, because I did post up a new TikTok. So if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you guys go follow me. The name will be right here. So I posted this progress. I don't know if you guys, well, it's a progress and it shows when I started the truck and everything. If you guys want to go check it out, the TikTok will be right here. One of the pictures I had put on, what should we do to Snapchat next? And I've been seeing a lot of people saying performance and to lower it. So like I said, I got the drop kit's at home, but I'm not sure if I want to put it on just yet or if I want to put it on after I paint the full truck again. So let me know down in the comments. Like this video, show that you guys want to see me actually drop the truck a lot more than what it is, and staying on 26s.